and do some life review and have some patience in the situations that you got. So actually, the angels often encourage you to find inner peace, no? Even in the midst of chaos right now, no? Especially when created with the healer of emotions here, no? So I could see here that the angels often encourage you to find some inner peace within you, even though you're in a situations that is really chaos, no? So this might mean taking a few moments to a quiet reflections, which is the life review, no? Do some life review and quiet reflections, meditations, or deep breathing po. Yan yung deep breathing